Endangered species is a serious issue that is occurring in our world today. In some countries, there are illegal animal trades. This causes animals to be continuously hunted, lowering their population dramatically. With the lowering of the populations, causes animals to be labeled as endangered, which means their populations all around the world are so low that they are close to extinction. Many of the world's species today have been extinct, such as the Bioja white dolphin, West African black rhinoceros, and the Pyrenean ibex. These are a few of the many extinct species. In the graph below, it shows a dramatic increase in extinct species from 1950 to now. And if we continue this road, it shows the estimated future. We humans rely on species. Some species are our food source. Some are primary producers of food webs, some are decomposers. They decompose waste to make our soil fertile to grow crops. An example of a species we rely on is the common honeybee. In the article, how do the extinctions of other creatures affect humans, end quote, by Milton Kazmaier, states bees, quote, are responsible for pollinating more than 250,000 species of plants, including more than 90 food crops, end quote. And these next two graphs show how the increase in human population causes a decrease in the species populations because we affect them in many ways.
Human activities are one of the main reasons for the increase in the number of species finding themselves on the endangered list. The number one cause for this is the destruction of organisms' habitats due to our increasing need for our environment's resources. In order to provide for our increasing population, we end up needing to develop more homes and manufacture more products, resulting in the clearing of many grasslands and forests. As humans use up more and more of these resources, we end up leaving very few resources for other organisms, causing more competition for what is left. The use of pesticides and fertilizers can also have a big effect on aquatic habitats, as some of them run off into streams and lakes, disrupting aquatic life. Other activities, like poaching and overhunting, have also contributed to the extinction and endangerment of many animals.
If endangered animals go extinct, there could be a series of chain reactions that could end up affecting humans and other organisms. For example, if a fish goes extinct, the bear that eats it would have to migrate, causing it to become desperate for food. By bears migrating, they could have negative interactions with humans, or they could starve to death trying to find food. Therefore, bears, if they had to go into trash cans and eat human food, it doesn't give them the same nutrients or proteins than what a fish provides for the bear. This will cause changes in the food web, causing populations of prey and of the bears to increase and the bear population to decrease.
Everyone can help save the problem by doing these things. 1. You could avoid products such as pesticides, moss killers, insect sprays, slug bait, household items containing mercury, and harmful cleaning supplies. 2. You could replace them with eco-friendly labels such as Fair Trade, Forest Stewardship Council Certified, also known as FSC, Green Certified Organic, and EPA Safer Choice. If these do not seem beneficial, you could also recycle. It's good to be aware of your surroundings. For example, when you're driving, try to watch out for animals. Or you could just spread the word about the app or the importance of the issue, being these endangered species. Most products are made from endangered species, so maybe next time you're out shopping, stop and ask some questions, like what is it made of or where is it from? We, not just as a community, but as humans on this earth, need to make some smarter choices.